Searching for the best mini PCs of 2025? You've come to the right spot. Today, we'll review 5 powerful and compact mini PCs for every need, from high-end gaming to budget-friendly options. Watch till the end for our detailed comparison chart so you can pick the perfect one for you. Number 1 is BMAX B9 Power Mini PC. If you want raw power in a tiny package, the BMAX B9 is a beast. Powered by Intel's Core i9-12900H with 14 cores and up to 5.0 GHz turbo boost. This mini PC is perfect for heavy multitasking, video editing, and gaming. You can choose between 24 GB or 32 GB RAM paired with a 1 TB SSD for lightning-fast storage. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring high-speed wireless connectivity. This is a premium choice for performance enthusiasts. Number 2, GMKtec M6 Mini PC. The GMKtec M6 is powered by AMD's R56600H processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, delivering excellent performance for work and play. It comes with 16 GB DDR5 RAM for faster data handling and a 512 GB PCIe 3.0 SSD with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. It's built for seamless streaming, browsing, and file transfers. If you want speed with AMD efficiency, this is a great option. Number 3, GenMachine AMD Ryzen 5 5600H Mini PC. This mini PC combines affordability with gaming-level performance. The Ryzen 5 5600H offers 6 cores and high boost speeds, making it perfect for casual gaming, office work, and content creation. It supports up to 64 GB of 3200 MHz RAM and comes with Wi-Fi 6 for stable connectivity. With Windows 11 pre-installed, it's ready to go right out of the box. Number 4, SOYO M4 Pro Mini PC. The SOYO M4 Pro runs on Intel's Alder Lake N95 processor, giving you solid everyday performance in a budget-friendly form. It comes with either 8 GB or 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB. With Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.0, it's an excellent compact solution for office work, home use, or light multitasking without breaking the bank. Number 5, GMKtec G3 Mini PC. If you want a balance of price and features, the GMKtec G3 is a smart choice. It is powered by Intel's Alder Lake N100 processor and comes with either 8 GB or 16 GB DDR4 RAM, plus a 256 GB or 512 GB PCIe SSD. It supports Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, making it a reliable and speedy everyday computer for home or work. Here's our quick comparison chart. The most powerful mini PC is the BMAX B9 powered with Intel i9-12900H. The best AMD performer is the GMKtec M6 with Ryzen 5 5600H. The best gaming value is the GenMachine Ryzen 5 5600H. The budget pick is the SOYO M4 Pro. And the best all-rounder is the GMKtec G3 with Alder Lake N100. Choose based on your performance needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment below on which mini PC you picked. Thanks for watching.